Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great week. So my camera's about to die, so that's why I'm speaking really fast. My life story. My cameras are always about to die. My phone's always about to die. It's always the way it is. I did this Pennywise clown inspired makeup look for Halloween and I really like it. I think it looks really cool. I love the chest detail. I love like the star earrings with the teeth and I just think it looks really cool. I love these contacts. And I just feel so cute. I love my hair up like this. I've like literally curled the whole thing, but I'm just keeping it down kind of like this. You can see the chest area. And yeah, it didn't take that long to do. It took maybe like 3.5 hours. It looks quite hard, but if you follow along with me, you'll know what to do and realize that it's not actually that hard. Don't forget to like this video if you like this look and leave any comments down below, leaving me any Halloween ideas or recommendations that you guys want me to create. Also, if you create any of my Halloween looks, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see them and I would love to share. Every year on Halloween I get so many people tagging me and it's so amazing. I just feel so blessed that so many people just are inspired by my work. So if you want to know how to get this clown Pennywise makeup look, then just keep on watching. So first what you want to do is take a white eye pencil and this will help you to map out everything that you want to draw. So I'm just drawing on the mouth. It's always easy to do a white pencil first because you can easily like just blend it in and rub it out if you make a mistake. So I always do this, and I also use this for the base of the teeth. So I am just drawing like a big smiley mouth shape right to the bottom of the chin and right out to the ears. And then I'm just drawing in these teeth. So I'm doing them pointy. You can do kind of like skull teeth, like square teeth, but I thought like pointy teeth was more scary and reminded me more so of a monster. So I'm just drawing them and then I'm coloring it in with that same white pencil. And you want to make sure you don't make them too close together or too far apart. Just kind of see what I'm doing and kind of follow from there. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette. This has a really amazing white eyeshadow in it and I'm just filling in those teeth on top to make it really pigmented. And then I'm taking a black liquid liner and drawing around this because then I know where my guideline is. I do most of my work with a liquid liner, so I think this is so easy. You guys just need a good liquid liner in your life because I honestly use it for all of my makeup looks. So I just go around each of the teeth with that black eyeliner as well. And then what I'm doing is I'm filling in the gaps around those teeth with the black and just getting right in there. And then I'm taking a NYX Cosmetics Hot Black eyeshadow. This is a really good one. I don't know if this is still selling or not. And I'm just shading in the teeth from the top to the bottom, kind of focusing the shading on the tops of the teeth and the sides of the teeth. And then I'm taking the yellow from the palette and just drawing a little bit of this on the white because teeth aren't perfectly white, so it just makes it more realistic. And then I'm taking the same NYX eyeshadow but in hot red, and I'm using this to fill in the gum line. So yeah, you probably didn't see this when I was filling it in with white pencil, but I drew a slight gap between the mouth and the teeth so it looks like a gum line. And then I'm just going around it with black eyeshadow mixed with red to kind of fill in lines above each of those teeth to make it look like they're kind of coming out the gums. I don't know. I'm just adding in lots of details to make it look realistic. Then I take this white liquid liner and draw above the gum line. It just adds like shines kind of thing, just to add some more dimension to the gums. And then I take a white liquid liner, the Steeler one, and I'm just drawing above the mouth to make it look more 3D. So now I'm taking the Morphe James Charles palette. You don't have to have this whole palette, just get some brown eyeshadows and blend this above your eyes in the crease. This doesn't have to be perfect, it can be completely messy, and also smoke it underneath your eyes. And then I'm taking that same black eyeshadow on a fluffy brush and I'm just blending this all on my lids and smoking it out. So this is like a smoky eye look, and I'm blending it underneath the lash line as well, just to make it look really creepy. And then I take the Thin Lizzy Duo Eye Pencil in black. You can use the code Alyssa20 to get 20% off the Thin Lizzy website. I'm just lining my waterline. And then I am coating my lashes with mascara and also my bottom lashes. Now I'm taking the bodyFX Rainbow palette. This palette is amazing. And I'm using this red color. This is water activated paints, by the way. So you just mix your brush in with a bit of water and then mix it in the paint. And I'm just drawing like the pennywise lines. So I'm going from the corners of the mouth up to the middle of the eye and above to the forehead. You can kind of see what I'm doing. And I fill in the eyelid with red eyeshadow too. I thought I wanted a little bit more dimension to this look, and I'm glad I did that. Now to make this look really gory, I'm taking the Bennye Thick Blood, or you can also use the Scab Blood. They're kind of the same thing. I get this from the bodyFX NZ website. I'm just using a Q-tip to add it all around the mouth and on the teeth. Now to fill in the nose, I did red on the nose and I drew around it with liquid eyeliner, and then I'm using black eyeshadow to fill in those edges to make it look more like 3D and a bit more detailed. And now I'm doing a little white dot on the nose to add like the shine. And I was like, how can I make this look more creepy? Okay, I'm going to make it look like I'm crying. So I used that black liquid liner and drew like lines down from my eyes as if though I'm like crying black tears. I don't know. And then I used that white pencil again, and then I'm drawing in like the clown neck thing. I try to explain this to Matthew what this was on a clown, and he didn't get it until he's seen the look. I don't know, if you search up a clown, they're always wearing like neckties or like fluffy things around their neck. I don't know, I can't really explain it, but they've always got something around their neck, like it's part of their costume. And red and white always reminds me of like a clown look. So I'm just drawing like these big triangles and painting every second one in red with that bodyFX palette. And I just do 2 layers just to make sure it's really pigmented. And then in between those red ones, I use the white from that bodyFX Rainbow palette, and I fill all of that in with white. Now I needed to do like 3 layers of the white because the white wasn't as pigmented, obviously. But it does build up really well if you add like 2 or 3 layers. And then what you want to do is take that black paint and you can draw around this and fill in those circles with the black. You can kind of see it coming together. I'm so impressed with this paint palette, by the way. It's a New Zealand website, bodyfx.co.nz. I honestly buy all of my Halloween stuff from that website. There's like contacts, fake blood, scab blood, prosthetics, glues, everything. Like anything Halloween related, SFX related, they will have you covered. So I'm just using that black to fill in all those lines. As you can see here, I was actually really stoked with how this ended up looking. And I ended up doing the lines in between the red and white quite thick. And yeah, it started to look really good and I was really proud of it. So now I'm taking that black eyeshadow. I thought, okay, this needs dimension. So I just took an eyeshadow brush. I waited for that paint to dry, by the way. And I took some black eyeshadow and I just drew all along the sides and blended it in and just made it look really cool and really 3D looking. And yeah, I just thought this made it look really cool. So now I'm taking these contact lenses. These are called Hypnotized, and these are from the bodyFX website as well, and I put them in. And then I just made my eyebrows black to match the look a little bit more because I thought they were quite light. And with the black eyeshadow, I drew in some angry lines above my eyebrows. And I added some red underneath the eyes and made it look all smudged. And I kind of blended the red eyeshadow out just to really blow it out and make it look quite fancy at the same time. I quite liked the eyeshadow look. And then I'm adding some more thick blood down the neck and just make it look like it's dripping. I quite liked how I did this. It just made it look a little bit more gory, a little bit more detailed. And yeah, that was the end of the makeup look. I ended up adding on a lot more bronzer on my forehead as well. So now I'm going to do the hair. So what you want to do is part your hair in a middle parting and then get 2 little hair ties and make 2 pigtails like this. It's kind of like a half up, half down look. I thought this look suited the clown look so well. And then I'm just going to curl my hair. So I added in extensions hair weft just to make my hair super long. And then I'm using my GHD Platinum Plus straightener. I always use a straightener for curls because I think the curls just come out so nice. So what I do is I literally just grip it and then I twist it around and around and pull it down, kind of like that. Oh, that was a fail. I did it again. But yeah, this is how I do my curls. And see, makes cute pictures. So I thought I'd add this clip in here, but here's the Freddy jeans. I think these are so sexy and they match any Halloween look. They especially look good with this look because the red detailing and the clown just suits these jeans so much. And as you can see, these are so flattering. They shape your booty and they are just so comfortable. Freddy jeans are known for their shaping effect on the booty. I just love how the hems sit and they just make your bum looks so nice. So yeah, I know Freddy jeans are really expensive, but they are so worth it. They are so comfortable. Like, you'll never have another pair of jeans like this. You can literally like bend and they're not restricting or too tight around the knees, and they just feel amazing. So yeah, this is the Halloween outfit. So I put my hair up in pigtails, I put some star earrings on, this black like lingerie bodysuit. It looks really good with these jeans, and I just put on these heels if you can't see them in the video, and I actually just tied on this lace tie, like it actually goes around my foot. These heels don't come with that, but I thought it looked pretty cool. I just added that on, and these are so comfortable, these heels. So yeah. So guys, that was the end of my Halloween makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like this look. I am very proud with how it turned out. I hope you guys like the little get ready with me segment as well. I hope you guys have a fun and safe Halloween, whatever you are doing. Let me know down below in the comments what you are doing for Halloween this year. Are you going out? Are you booking a hotel? Are you going to a Halloween party? Are you doing your own house party? Oh my gosh, that is the goal of mine, to do a Halloween house party and just decorate the whole house, cover it in spiders and ghosts and spider webs, and just make it really epic. Like, I really want to do that. It sounds like a good plan. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you in my next week's video. Bye.